Imagine holding the power to shape your reality, to turn your deepest desires into the life you live every day. This isn't just a dream, it's the heart of manifestation and the law of attraction, principles that countless people have used to transform their lives. Today, we're diving into the world of manifestation, unraveling its mysteries and exploring how you too can harness this incredible power. Whether you're new to the concept or seeking to deepen your practice, we'll guide you through understanding the basics, igniting your belief, and opening your mind to the limitless possibilities that await. So, let's step into this exploration together, keeping an open mind and heart as we uncover the keys to unlocking your fullest potential. Stepping into the realm of imagination opens up a world where the boundaries of reality are only defined by what we believe is possible. Imagine for a moment, the life you've always dreamed of is not just a distant hope, but a blueprint awaiting your belief to start its construction. This is the essence of Neville Goddard's teachings, which remind us that the key to manifesting your desires lies within your ability to believe and truly feel as if your dreams are already your reality. It's not about wishing for something to happen. It's about embodying the belief that it's already here. By nurturing this mindset, we start to see the world not as it is, but as it could be, through our creative lens. So, let's dive deeper into understanding how our imagination and belief work hand in hand to shape our lives, guiding us to not just dream, but to live out those dreams in our everyday reality. Now, let's explore the gears and levers behind manifesting your desires more quickly than ever before. Imagine being able to speed up your journey towards your dreams, using tools and techniques that sharpen your focus and amplify your intentions. This is the realm of accelerated manifestation techniques, where visualization, positive affirmations, and a well-prepared mind converge to form a powerful trifecta. Through visualization, you paint the vivid picture of your desires in your mind's eye, making your goals feel attainable and real. Pair this with positive affirmations, words that build you up and fortify your belief in your ability to achieve what you seek. And let's not overlook the importance of a prepared mind, a mind that's ready to receive, adapt, and embrace the changes it desires. Together, these practices not only speed up the manifestation process, but also enrich your journey with a deeper understanding of your own potential and power. Diving deeper into the world of manifestation, we encounter the fascinating concept of quantum leaping. This idea suggests that countless versions of reality exist side by side, and with the right mindset, you can jump into the reality where your desires are already fulfilled. Think of reality as a vast sea of possibilities, and you, standing on the shore, have the power to choose which wave to ride. It's about tuning your personal frequency to match that of the reality you wish to inhabit. By adjusting your thoughts, emotions, and actions, you align yourself with the desired outcome, making what once seemed impossible within reach. This section not only broadens our understanding of manifestation, but also challenges us to think beyond the limits of our current reality, encouraging us to envision and step into the life we truly want to lead. Now, let's move into the heart of how our emotions and vibrations play a crucial role in manifesting our desires. This segment focuses on the unique ways our feelings and the energy we emit influence what we attract into our lives. Consider the profound impact of aligning your emotional state with the vibrational frequency of your dreams. Techniques like the 2-cup method serve as a physical representation of this alignment, showing how shifting from one state to another can literally move us closer to our goals. Meditation then deepens this alignment, allowing us to clear our minds and focus our intentions, creating a fertile ground for our desires to grow. Incorporating crystals into these practices amplifies the process, each stone vibrating with energy that supports and enhances our manifestation efforts. Through understanding and applying these principles of emotional and vibrational alignment, we equip ourselves with the tools to not just chase after our dreams, but to attract them with the power of our inner state. Moving forward, let's focus on putting these principles into action with some practical steps that anyone can start using today. This is where the real magic of manifestation begins to unfold. We introduce techniques such as the 55x5 method, where you write down your desired outcome 55 times for 5 days straight, instilling your intention deeply into your subconscious. Scripting, on the other hand, invites you to journal about your life as if all your dreams have already come true, helping you to live and feel the reality you wish to create. Then, there's the movie method, which encourages you to visualize your life as a movie where you are the main character achieving all your goals. These methods are not just exercises in wishing, but powerful tools for aligning your daily actions with your ultimate goals, creating a clear path for your desires to manifest in your life. As we venture further into the journey of manifestation, we encounter the inevitable challenges of doubts and fears. Overcoming these mental barriers is crucial for manifesting successfully. This part of our exploration delves into strategies for facing and releasing doubts that may hinder our progress. It's about recognizing these doubts not as roadblocks, but as signs pointing us towards deeper understanding and growth. We also touch on the importance of inspired action, actions that arise from a place of alignment and purpose, rather than from fear or desperation. Maintaining faith in the unseen, in the power of our desires, even when evidence of their manifestation is not immediately visible, is key. By addressing these internal challenges, we clear the path for our desires to come to fruition, reinforcing the belief in our ability to create the life we envision. For those ready to deepen their manifestation practice, exploring advanced techniques opens new pathways to realizing your dreams. This segment delves into sophisticated strategies for those who seek to expand their mastery over manifestation. We introduce the 369 method, a structured approach to embedding your desires into your daily thought process through repetition and focus. Angel numbers offer guidance and reassurance from the universe, signaling alignment with your path and prompting introspection and action. Meanwhile, the manifestation box acts as a physical repository for your dreams, where written desires and symbolic items merge to create a potent focus for your intentions. These advanced practices are not just about wishing harder. They are about engaging with the fabric of the universe in a more deliberate and profound way, encouraging practitioners to refine their focus, clarify their intentions, and embrace the subtle nudges towards their realization. In the journey of turning dreams into reality, the role of action cannot be overstated. This part of our exploration emphasizes the critical importance of taking steps that are in harmony with our goals. It's not just about wishing or visualizing, it's about doing. Taking inspired action bridges the gap between the intangible world of thoughts and the tangible world of reality. It involves identifying clear, actionable steps that move you closer to your goals and then executing them with intention and purpose. This means not just waiting for opportunities to come knocking, but actively creating them, whether it's reaching out to someone who can help you move forward, signing up for a course to gain necessary skills, or simply dedicating time each day to work towards your goals. every action counts. Inspired action is fueled by the confidence that what you seek is not just possible, but inevitable, with the right effort and alignment. As we wrap up this exploration of manifestation techniques, it's clear that the power to shape our reality lies within our grasp. From harnessing the power of our imagination to taking inspired action towards our dreams, each step we've discussed builds upon the next, forming a comprehensive guide to turning the life we envision into our everyday reality. Remember, manifestation is not just about wishing for what you want. It's about actively creating the conditions for those wishes to flourish. Experiment with the techniques we've explored to find what resonates with you, and be patient with yourself as you navigate this process. Your journey towards manifestation is unique, and every step forward is a victory in its own right. And if you found value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies to empower your life. Your support helps us create more content like this, and we're excited to continue this journey with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, the power to manifest your dreams is yours to wield.